We are live on YouTube, Facebook, on Twitch, everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another session of the Affiliate Action Challenge. My name is David Lemon, and I'm going to be your guide today and during this whole event, whole project where I'm bringing you from where you are currently to a successful affiliate marketer for Groove and for the products in the future that you plan to promote. It's very exciting. We already passed 2 sessions. This is the session number 3, and today we have a couple of interesting things to talk about. So in case you're joining in, feel free to jump into the comment section. Just type in, "Hey David, I'm here. Hey, I'm watching. Your affiliate action challenge is awesome." Anything really, just so that I can welcome you on here. We're going to start shortly. I will just do a short run through, welcome everybody here, click on some names and wait for everybody to join in. So let's just see who is with us. Good morning, David, from Jeffrey Hunter. Good morning, Jeffrey. It's good to have you here. Richard is watching us. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Welcome. Rick, Overcomers Media, Basics for You. Sandra Walsh. Kevin is here. Byron is here. Link is here. Good morning. Sue, George, Ron. I have a Facebook user over here from Kansas City. In case this is you and I clicked on your name and you showed up as Facebook user, you could go to streamyard.com/Facebook. This would just allow me to see who you are, your profile picture, and your profile name, so that whenever I click on your name, I can see who that is. Or you can just head over to YouTube, and there you don't actually need to provide any kind of approval. YouTube just shows your name automatically. So let's just see. Eden is here, Terrence Vincent, David, Martin, Maria, Mark, Digital Universe, JP Obando is here. We have a very, very good crowd coming in of people wanting to learn more. So welcome everybody. I will just go through very quickly and show you what we are going to be doing today. I'm going to do a bonus session that I think would be going well, and it's extremely important actually, because it also puts us to the top of the platforms where you can do affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you. It's very, very cool. Some of these things you would need to know about. And I'm going to do a bonus session on some of the extra tools that you could use as an affiliate link. So instead of only your affiliate link, your just blank affiliate link from the promo tools that I showed you yesterday, I'm going to show you some of the other tools that you have in your arsenal to use. On top of that, we're going to get creative. We're going to go in and do some funky things with bonuses. So let me just share my screen very quickly and run through some of the slides, just the tags on what we are going to be covering. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be doing this bonus session, which I called Last Tag Wins. Yesterday we did a session which was called First Tag Wins, and this is going to be kind of an extra on top of that one. And we're going to go and create our irresistible bonus offer. I'm going to talk about what it is, why you need it, how to do it, or where to get it, and things like that. Then we're going to go and add those bonuses to Groove Affiliates, so that whenever somebody signs up to Groove, they're automatically delivered. You could also deliver them yourself, but I can show you an easier method which is done for you automatically. Then we're going to make your bonuses real. And what I mean real, we are going to make them tangible. I'm going to talk about that one a little bit later. And then we are going to be finalizing this session with a task. So you're going to have a little bit more homework to do, and hopefully you can finalize it by tomorrow. I actually love seeing your posts inside Groove JV. I approve them myself. I go through them. I watch each and every person that is finalizing, because I want to know who is actually doing the challenge, who is going to do the job necessary in order to become a successful affiliate. So let me know if this is exciting, and if you like what you saw, what we are going to be talking about. Let me just know in the comments very quickly. I'm going to do one more run of welcoming people in here. So Karen is watching us, Kristen is here, Imran, Lee, Rose, Gilmar, Sue, another Facebook user. So if this is you, hello to you as well. If you could, I would appreciate if you head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. That would allow me to actually see who you are when you're commenting. Let's just go on. We have Groove Prince over here. Let me just click on the name, saying let's go. Gerda is here. And Cheryl Walsh. I have also another Facebook user saying, I'm loving this challenge. Thank you so much, David. I appreciate. I would love to see who you are. So if you could head over to streamyard.com/Facebook. There's also a link in the description of this video, so you can just click on it, and then you don't have to actually type this into the browser. You can just click it, click that blue approve button, and then you are good to go. So let's just see. Overcommerce Media. I have Kevin Jacobs already asking questions. Can I change my username if I already have signups? Yes, the username is just for the checkout form. That it doesn't affect anything. Gary is here. Velo. Martin is here. Shelly. Fanny is here. Nicasio. And Christian, let's just see a question here. Can we post an affiliate link in Instagram using hashtags, or you not recommend it? The affiliate link as it is on blank, it is not the best thing to do to share it out there. But tomorrow in the next session, we're actually going to talk about your assets, your affiliate links, how to make them better, how to make them more powerful. So if you prefer to wait, just wait until tomorrow. We're going to talk about that exact topic. Vijaya is here. Hi, David. Super inspired for this session. Super excited. There's a couple of more questions that I'm going to go into, but I'm going to go and jump into the training. So let's just see. This is going to be the session number 3, where we talk about creating your bonuses. And on top of that, I'm going to also record a bonus myself for you guys on the topic of the last tag wins. So if we are all ready, let's just go in and start this presentation. Let me just do this very quickly, and we can start shortly. Just make this screen a little bit bigger. That didn't help at all. Okay. So let's just see. Cool. I always need to prepare a little bit because now we're going to do it officially. Okay, so let's go. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about a concept which is called last tag wins. Groove is an affiliate program which also does a first tag win concept, and then you can watch that video. We recorded a full-on video on that before, and we have also a concept called last tag wins, and this is very, very usual in any kind of affiliate program. Whenever you're promoting something, the last tag win concepts mean that the last cookie, the user, basically the last affiliate link the user clicks before signing up, basically they get affiliated to the user whose link they clicked on. So you click on a link and another link and another link, and the last link you clicked on before the sign up, you become an affiliate, or you become tied into to the platform of the affiliate whose link you clicked on last. That's basically the last tag wins. So the goal with affiliate marketing and the goal with any kind of promotion, whenever you're sharing links, is to be the last person the users click on, to provide the link that the users click on last in order to win the sign up or the upgrade. With Groove, when you're promoting Groove, you can click on a link even though you are already signed up. Let's just say you already signed up for a free account. You can click on a link from somebody, and that cookie lasts for a couple of days. If in those couple of days you upgrade that and basically you pay, that money that you paid will be split to the person that you signed up under, and also the person's link that you clicked on later on. So you, as an affiliate marketer, now you know this concept of the last tag wins. Even somebody is already signed up into and has a Groove account, you really want to make sure that you give them as many opportunities to click on an affiliate link and then upgrade with your link cookied into their browser, because that will provide you that assist money. So There are a couple of tools that will allow you to do that, and one of those tools we talked about already yesterday, which is your affiliate link. So if somebody clicks on an affiliate link, let's just start from the beginning. If somebody already signed up for a free Groove account, they click on your affiliate link and then decide to upgrade, then you will get an assist commission 50-50 with somebody else that signed up that affiliate. So you really want to make sure that you provide as many times your affiliate links so that you win as many cookies or cookie contests. Let's just call it the cookie contest. So that's the tool number one that we talked about yesterday. You know where to find it. You know how to use it. There is a couple of different links already provided to you in the promo tools from Groove, and you can just use those. There's another thing that has a link with your affiliate link tied into it, and this is your shared GroovePages template. So I mentioned that GroovePages is a platform tied into your Groove account, and you can use that if you're on a free account, if you're on a paid account. You have options to create a share link. Basically, you create a website, a template, a landing page, or something, and you can share that with somebody else. And that share link that you send to somebody else will have the actual affiliate link tied to it. So I'm going to show you that in a moment, but let's just go on and mention the tool number 3, which is the most exciting thing, and we just recently added that into our system. So you may not know about this, but this is going to be game-changing for everybody. This we call custom landing pages, and these are custom landing pages that you can create your links with. Let me just go through the first 2 and then talk a little bit more about the third, custom landing pages, because it is super cool. So let's just talk about the affiliate links. As I mentioned earlier, you know about affiliate links. This is something that we mentioned yesterday. We talked about that yesterday. So whenever you are in your Groove account, you can go over here to the Groove affiliate program button and click here to get your affiliate link. You can also click onto your profile, Groove partner program, and you can get your affiliate link here from here as well. And basically that is just something that we provide to everybody, and you know where to get that. You know how to you know what these do if you did the task from the last session. So you should be all up to date with the links. So the next thing that we have is a GroovePages share template. So let me just go and show you what that is. So let's just say that you are already in Groove, or you use Groove. You probably know about GroovePages. GroovePages is a platform that we have here, GroovePages, or you can also see your sites in case you already created something. I'm going to go into GroovePages and show you what this is. Basically, GroovePages is a platform where you can create websites, landing pages, funnels, webinar funnels, and things like that. So if you don't have a site yet, don't have a page created with GroovePages yet, you can just click on here, new site. You can start from scratch or start from a pre-made template design, and we have quite a lot of those. These are all single pages. In case you would like to see complete site templates, you can come over here. We also have funnels. We also have webinar funnels and things like that. So in case you want to use a site or a page also as a tool, I highly suggest you to create a template, something like that. It doesn't have to be very complex. This is just a template that I created recently, and it can look as simple as that. Okay, you can see it's very minimalistic, but something like this would be very, very good for those people that are writing books, for those people that want to provide kind of a freebie through a ebook, a PDF, or something like that, and this template would be very useful for them. So now that we have this template over here, we could very easily create a share link, and this is where our affiliate link will be tied into as well. So whenever you're in GroovePages, let me just zoom in a bit. If you click on the settings button here in the left corner, you have a share site option. Once you click the share site option, you can create share links. You can click the add button in order to create a share link. And now what you created over here is your share link. And this has 2 things that it will do. First, once the user is logged into their Groove account, this will load in a template into the other user's account. But also this will leave a cookie on the user's account who imported this template, so that your affiliate link is now activated in the in their system. So which is a very, very good tool. So share links can also work for affiliate promotion. So this is the second tool that I was talking about, and you can use this in your arsenal for promotions. Then the third one is the most exciting, and these are custom landing pages. So let me just tell you a little bit about these. So custom landing pages are a way to make every site, every page on the internet become your affiliate link. And this is very powerful. So please, ladies and gentlemen, with great power comes great responsibility, as Uncle Ben said. So make sure that you are not spamming. Okay, you don't want to do each and every link in the world. You don't want to create as your affiliate link. Whenever you're providing too much, your affiliate link, your sales message, your anything really, if you're pushing too hard, you will become known as a spammer. Okay, this is what people call, it's kind of unified word for somebody pushing too hard, and you don't want to become a spammer. So use this very carefully. It's a very good tool, but use it as something that enables you to provide more help, and the keyword is help, not your own benefit, but benefit to the end user. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get it and what it actually means. So if you head over to Groove Affiliate, promos, links, there you can see custom landing pages. So let's just go on together and then find the custom landing pages. I'm going to go back to our Groove dashboard so we can follow through step by step. If you are logged in, you can hover over this G logo on the top, hover over the apps, and head over to Groove Affiliate. Groove Affiliate is the platform we're using for these promotions, and that's the actual platform that was created in order to handle the affiliate programs. So next thing is you go into promos, and here, the Groove is the platform that we're promoting. As you can see, I have shared my link yesterday, or in the previous task of the previous session, and I got quite a few impressions and uniques. We're going to talk about that one as well, what those mean. But over here, you can see there are links. So if you click on the first chain icon over here, this will be your affiliate links. And then here, yesterday we talked about my affiliate links. But today we want to in this video, we want to talk about the custom landing pages here. So the custom landing pages are this very powerful tool which can enable you to do this. And let me just show you. So when you click Add New Landing Page, you have two fields that you can fill out, name and the link. So what exactly goes in there? So let me just show you. I'm going to take a link from our Facebook group. I'm going to copy over this link. And this is where we are. And I'm going to just call this Facebook group. And as a link, I'm going to just paste this in. So I have facebook.com/groups/Groove Digital Official. This is the official Facebook group from Groove Digital. And once I click create, I now have a link with my affiliate link in it, which redirects over to the Facebook group. So I'm going to show you how that looks like. So this is how the naked link looks like: groovepages.groovesell.com/a/a string of characters that is just not meaning anything. But once you actually select this and then you go to this link, it will open up the Facebook group, which is what we actually want. We want it to open the Facebook group. But here on the top, you can see that we have the actual link with question affiliate _ID equals da 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 da. Okay, so what this means that I am now tied in with my affiliate link. So if I would go and upgrade now with Groove, I would actually purchase through my own link. Okay, so you can create any page in the world as your affiliate link. Would that be your website? Would that be CNN? Would that be BBC? Would that be your freebie, your bonus, your community group, your anything really now became an affiliate link? And this is very powerful. So as I mentioned, use this responsibly. This is going to be giving you that last tag wins that you actually want. But as I mentioned, please use this responsibly. You don't want to overdo. You don't want to become called a spammer because you're just pushing too hard. So that is what the custom landing pages functionality does. And now you have 3 more tools in your arsenal to actually promote Groove even better. So that is it. Let's just go on to the next video and let's talk about where you can even improve the actual number of people to click on your affiliate links anywhere you share them. So that's going to come in the next session. Ladies and gentlemen, that's basically the video that I wanted to talk about as a bonus. This is my bonus to you guys. It is something that I thought to talk about yesterday, but that would be kind of long, so I broke it up in 2 sections. But it's very powerful to know that it's not only your affiliate link, there is other tools within the platform to use. So you want to be the person whose link is clicked as much as possible, because this is how you win the first tag wins. This is how you win the last tag wins. This is how you win the affiliate assist, and this is how you can make all those sweet commissions with Groove. So this was kind of the bonus for today, and now after that we are going to go into the topic of the irresistible bonus offer. So hopefully you're excited for that part as much as I am. Okay, let's just maximize this. Let's go back and let's get this party started. Let me just look into very quickly the comments. First tag wins. Yoo, yeah. Kevin Jacobson is asking, YouTube video. Absolutely, YouTube video as well. Again, I need to mention, use this responsibly. If you share YouTube videos with your affiliate link inside the Facebook groups, inside anywhere really, you can very quickly get banned. People don't like the use of affiliate links. So responsibility here. Become a person that shares a link when asked, and not only shares a link when just you want to share a link. We're going to talk about this a little bit more in the upcoming sessions, and one of those sessions is tomorrow, where we're talking about the direct link method. We're going to use a couple of these links in the session tomorrow. Okay, perfect. Very good. So let's just jump into the irresistible bonus offer. We're going to talk about why you need it, what to do with it, and basically all that comes with it. So let me just take a breath and let's go on. In this video, you're going to be able to learn about bonus offers and how to get people to click on your links, how to get people to upgrade, how to get people to sign up through your link and not to choose somebody else's link instead. So that's what we're covering, and I hope you are excited as I am. So why would you need a bonus? Like, what's the purpose of a bonus? So bonuses are incentives in return for information. So we're going to talk about the different versions of bonuses, but you need to give something to get something, and that's how usually it works. Whenever somebody just gives something as a gift, that kind of is feeling strange, like what's the catch? But in case you actually give something and you ask for something in return, let's just say an email address or a name and an email, which is most of the cases being done online, it's good to give something. Now these bonuses have also other jobs, so they serve as an exchange tool. It's a two-way transaction instead of a one-way transaction, instead of a gift. People will never come to your site and just say, oh yeah, here's my name and email, yeah, do whatever you want with it. It's just like you need to have something in return. You need to give something in return for that. Also, bonuses are good because people want to get stuff. People like to get stuff. If you just put up something on there, I have this, who wants it? I'm pretty confident that there will be hands raising up. People will want to get things because that's just how we function. Whenever you're going into the supermarket and there's like these cookie stations or these test stations where they are like putting these yogurts and cheeses and different pieces of bread and I don't know what, and you always go there most probably and always take a bite because you don't need it. You're not hungry. You're not. It's like it's there. Like, why wouldn't I use it? So people want to get stuff. People like to get stuff, especially if it's for free. In certain cases, people don't think about these digital bonuses and freebies as something they need to pay for. A lot of times, you and I and everybody else don't consider our name and email to be of a huge value. So whenever somebody is giving away a course, of course I would put in my name and email. Like, what's the harm? There's very little risk that I could have. So I would definitely do that because I want to get stuff as well. And the last one I have here on my list is people want a shortcuts. And most of these times, bonuses provide some sort of shortcut or provide some sort of a quick bundle of information, like the 5 most important things you need to do if you do XYZ, or the ultimate guide to da 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 da. So these are some sort of shortcuts which just collect the information from a lot of different sources and just bundle it up so that you have one place to go and learn everything you can about XYZ, and you don't have to go and explore yourself. So this is kind of a shortcut that people just don't want to do a lot of unnecessary work. And if there is somebody that already bundled that information up, of course they will want that. So this can be used by people like us that we want users or that want visitors to do a certain action. If we create certain bonuses, we can get them to do what we want them to do. That's what we are going to be using. So there's 2 types of bonuses. There's a freebie, which I'll call a freebie. There's different names, but in this training, I'm going to call a freebie an incentive for a sign up, for a free sign up. So what I mean is you can create a bonus, let's say a bonus template for people that sign up through my link. That's a freebie. There was an exchange. I gave them a template. They gave me their name and email once they signed up through my affiliate link. Okay, that is what I would call a freebie. So these freebies can be of a lower perceived value. They don't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be big. It can be just something that either provides a shortcut. It provides just something that people want. But it needs to be valued more than a user's email address, and that's the tricky part in there. So if you're providing I don't know, an emoji, let's just say an emoji, just you got an emoji and you are going to send this little emoji, this emoticon to somebody that signs up through your link. Is this valuable? Is this more value than the user's email? It's not. You're probably not going to get a lot of signups in case you use a low value item. So it needs to be a little bit more higher value in order to get that action that you want. So we're going to be talking about that, and we're going to explore our options. But the second type of bonus that I'm going to be telling you about is a bonus for getting people to upgrade. So we're going to be doing both of these types of bonuses. One is a freebie, to get people to sign up for a free Groove account. And the second type is a bonus where we get people to upgrade, to actually give money in order to become a paid member of Groove. And this way we earn commissions. In these cases, the bonuses need to be perceived higher value. And why is that? Because the more you give, the more chances you have that the user that clicks on a link will go with you and not with somebody else. And let me tell you a story about that. I shared this a couple of times inside my Q&A sessions, but there was a very popular launch a couple of years ago. A lot of big names in the online marketing industry promoted for this launch, and the actual product was a book with a different upsells and downsells later on, but a book of $9. So the book of $9 was the product, but then affiliates came in and they provided their own bonuses. Some were giving away courses, some were giving away software, some were giving away these wizards for creating copy. Some people were just doing crazy stuff like just giving away their whole entire suite of courses and basically everything they had, because they really wanted to win that contest, that affiliate contest. So that's kind of an extreme thing. But what happened with that is that people purchased multiple items, multiple times that book of $9 to get bonuses from different people. So if you think about that, in that affiliate contest, the book was valued lower than the actual bonus. So people actually wanted the bonus, not the book, and that's why they signed up with somebody, and that's why they actually went with those people. So from this story, you can see that sometimes bonuses are even more valuable in the end user's mind. They want the bonus more than the actual product. In case of Groove, it could be the case in case you provide some kick-ass bonuses, but Groove is already a very, very, very generous platform, in my opinion. So you need to do a lot in case you want to give more than Groove. But what I wanted to mention with this one is that you kind of need to give a bigger bonus if you want people to upgrade for a high price. The bigger the bonus is, the better chance is that you will get the actual win. You will win the value competition in case somebody compares your offer, your bonuses, and your affiliate link with somebody else's bonuses and their affiliate link. So the bonuses could be as big as you want. If you want to give away the book that you worked on for 2 years, if you want to give away the courses that you did, if you want to give away I don't know, one-on-one consultation, if you want to give away anything really, it can be as big as you want. The higher the value, higher the perceived value, the bigger the better you will do, because people will say, people share things around themselves. It's a word of mouth thing as well. Oh my God, did you see David Lemon is sharing away a free consultation with a bunch of different templates and things like that. This is kind of if you do something extraordinary, that is going to be talked about very, very frequently. So you can go as big as you want. And of course, a bonus should solve a real problem. It needs to also achieve a goal, and it needs to satisfy a want of a user. It could do one of these things, or it could do all three things. So solve a real problem, achieve a goal, and satisfy a big want of a user. It could do one or two or three of these things, but it needs to do at least one of these. Because if you're giving away, I don't know, a course on how to groom pets, how to plant carrots, and you're doing digital marketing and you're promoting Groove, it's just not solving a problem that a customer that is purchasing a suite of tools for digital marketing has. It also relates to a niche. So these bonuses are most of the times niche specific. The more general you go, the more meh it's going to be. So my suggestion is always in affiliate marketing to find a niche. We're going to be talking about that in a later video, but at this moment, the bonuses need to be something that your target audience will want. Let's just go on the next slide, and let's talk about what bonus should I offer. You may be thinking like, oh my God, you just talked about books and courses and videos. I don't have any of that. Well, you don't necessarily have to. I'm going to show you very creative ways to actually get around that. We're going to be creating a freebie together, and we are going to be doing an upgrade bonus together as well. It doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be big. It can be as simple as a phone call. And you're going to be seeing, I have a quite an extensive list of things that you can provide. So bonuses, what bonuses should you offer? Well, the bonuses should be niche specific, as I mentioned. Let's just think about something that is niche specific. Let's just say that you are a dentist, for example. You are a dentist and you know the industry of dentistry, and you know some of your friends are also dentists and they would need a way to sell their services. They would need a way to market themselves. They want to communicate with their buyers. They want to with their customers. They want to just do things, and you know that Groove could help them. So let's just say that you are a dentist and your niche is dentists. So what problem can you solve for your target audience? Okay, this is kind of what your bonus should be. If somebody gets your if somebody gets Groove through your link, what could you help them to achieve a goal? Would it be create a website? Could you maybe provide them, your bonus would be create a website template for dentists, specifically for dentists? Or would it be a funnel template? Would it be just a landing page for getting people to call? Would it be just a consultation template? Would it be anything really related to something that will help achieve a goal to your target audience? It doesn't have to be something that will necessarily help somebody, but something that people want. For example, it can be also a list of things, like you just go into Word, go into Google Docs, and just write out a list of resources that could help that target audience, that niche that you're serving. Would that be training resources? Would that be let me just expand on this training resources. It could be basically you go into our YouTube channel, you go onto YouTube and just take out the trainings that you find that if somebody watches them, that person will be well versed and basically better off with the resources you did. So training how to create a website, second training how to create a funnel, third training how to connect it to GrooveSell, fourth training this, that, da, da, da. So you could create just a document where you provide that shortcut, you provide that something that will help people achieve their goal. Satisfy a want. What is something that your target audience wants? They want to make more money. So create a little guide how to make more money with Groove. It can be video, it could be audio, it could be written content. You could just take your phone and just say, hey guys, I'm holding my phone. Hey guys, I'm going to talk about how to make money with Groove. First thing you want to do is definitely make sure you get your affiliate link and share away. Second thing, yada da da da. You could do something like that. It doesn't have to be big. It could be simple as that one as well. But people may want that because you have something that nobody else has. You have your own perspective. You have your own way of talking. You have your own way of doing things. And if people want to learn from you, would that be Alan? Would that be Kevin? Would that be James? Would that be Rashid? Would that be anyone else? They want to see your perspective and learn from you. So that kind of is what a want has, or that's something that will satisfy people's wants. Provide a shortcut, as I mentioned, just bundle of something, do the work instead of the end user. Would it be creating a website template? Would that be coming up with a list of resources? Would that be creating a worksheet or a checklist or something that will guide a person to the end goal? Just a shortcut so that they know where to go, what to focus on. And has to make things easier for the user. That's that's the end goal for your bonus. It has to make life easier. So now that we talked about what kind of aspects and what kind of points need to be in a bonus, let's just talk about what a bonus can be. A bonus can be an ebook. This could be books that you wrote that is related to, I don't know, a psychology of selling, or best sales technique, or best marketing techniques, or anything really. There are also short books on the 5 things to do in case you're using Groove, or the absolutely necessary things that you need to make sure you do if you signed up for Groove. Something like, I just come up with that headline. It doesn't have to be that, but you get the point. So it could be written content where you're providing some information, you're providing some value, you're providing some knowledge for the end user so that they click your affiliate link and they sign up through you. It could be software. I've seen people give away chatbot software. I've seen people give away software for social posting on Facebook and Instagram, for example. I've seen people do a lot of different things. And software is kind of a high value product as well. If you give away, and if you are in any kind of way if you have an ability to give away software, that's definitely something that you could consider, because software is the highest perceived value out of all of these things that I've written out on my list. Video, it could be any kind of video. It could be a speed build of something, like you creating a blog, you creating a membership, you creating an affiliate promotion, you creating anything really where you are using the tool that you're promoting. It could be going in a video. It will help people understand how to use things. It could also be any kind of training, any kind of whatever you could write in a blog post could be also recorded in a video, like 5 things to make sure you do when you sign up for Groove. If you provide that in a text version, you could also create a video version about that, and you actually talk about that specific thing in the video. So that could be a great bonus as well. Audio and music. Let's just say you're creating bonuses which will help people create videos to promote certain things, like promote Groove, for example. You could create a bundle of audios for background music for promoting Groove in a video. You could do certain things like voiceovers. You could create a script and read it out, and then give that as a bonus to people to promote Groove, for example. There's a lot of different creative things that you could come up with audio as well. You could do trainings, like, for example, if you found a nice podcast that helped you a lot, you could also give that away, like point people towards that resource, which is an audio resource that helped you in achieve a certain task or certain goal or certain thing that you wanted. Photography. Let's just say you created photography that will help promote something, that will help. Maybe it doesn't have, like, I'm talking about this promotion of Groove, but it doesn't necessarily have to be promotion of Groove. If you have a niche audience, like I talked about dentists previously, you could just create a bundle of different dentist related photographs, like photos, and then people can use those photos on their websites, in their promotions and things like that. You do stock photos. You could do certain things like that, so that you provide done for you resources for people that you bring in under your affiliate link. Graphics, that could be different buttons, different badges, like I don't know, 30-day guarantee, or those badges that go with a payments, like a Visa, MasterCard, Amex, things like that. You create these pre-made badges for people to put on their sites. These are just like ideas that you could do and give away as bonuses. You could also create banners for promoting Groove. Like I showed you in a previous video, there are pre-made banners from Groove where you can just copy paste the link and then have them embedded on site. Why you would not just create a couple more of these banners and just add those in as a bonus into your own promotions, which is a great idea, and I could do that. Digital art, like we have GrooveZilla, we have all of that all of that creative for promoting Groove. Think about what you could do as a digital art to help people create these social media posts or creatives to achieve a certain goal. For example, I'm gonna give you an example. Halloween is a promotion where you could give people pre-made social images or a template for a dentist to have a special discount on Halloween. So it would have kind of a template with all of those pumpkins and these scary looking things. You could do these digital art icons, illustrations, and things like that as your bonus, because let's just say that dentists on Halloween make a killing with bookings, for example. That's just an idea, but I hope you understand what I mean. PDF documents could be really anything. It could be a book, it could be a checklist, it could be a lot of different things, but anything that you could write and save as a PDF that helps people achieve a goal, helps kind of gives a shortcut, could be also a bonus. Online courses, the thing that I'm doing right now, the video where you're watching right now, is an online course. I can just take this and add as a bonus for people signing up into Groove, and we'll most probably do that. But you could come up with your own kind of thing. You don't have to kind of solve all of the problems that your target audience, that your customers have. Just find one specific thing on your to-do list. For example, if you're a dentist, one of the things that you're doing online, for example, just take that out and create kind of a guide on how you would do that, how you would do it faster, better, more efficient than what anyone else could do. For example, let's just say that you're a personal coach, and you're personal coach on dating. You're basically doing dating advice, and your audience is people that want to create their websites for promoting dating advice. That's a very, very specific niche. But in case you are a date coach or a personal coach that focuses on dating advice, you could take one of those things from your day-to-day tasks and create kind of a video workshop, video demonstration on how to solve that. You could also offer some more resources from this list. You could also offer a written guide into something. You could also share resources of what you use on day-to-day basis, and put that all into one course, into kind of a bundle of kind of done for you things that your target audience would want when they are signing up for Groove. So these were just very, very, very short, small amount of ideas that I gave you. I just wanted to kind of explain the extent you can go to. You can do anything that you want. Okay. So these are some of the ideas that I wrote out. Membership sites, you can create any kind of membership sites where you bring in the content that you may already have. You could also create planners and journals. Let's just say a planner for a dentist to posting on social media. On Monday, you could do this post. On Wednesday, you can do this post, and things like that. You could do that for dating advice. You could do this for anything. Journals, same thing. Basically, you could write out these journals and help people achieve a certain goal. Podcasts, as I said, you could use podcasts for as bonuses. Like, you found a nice, cool podcast and you learned a lot about achieving something. You could use that as a bonus as well. It's not your bonus, you didn't create that, but it's a very good resource that people can learn a lot from. Downloadable guides, any kind of guide, would it be niche specific, would that be Groove related, you can use that as your tool to get people to sign up under your link. Self-assessment tool, e-learning course, online community. Online community is also very big. Like-minded people, a lot of like-minded people on one place can do amazing stuff. Let's just say that you are, I don't know, you are in the fishing industry, you're in a fishing niche, and you want to provide tools for people that have shops and stores and sites and funnels around the fishing industry, you want to provide a resource. In an online community, you can go and do that. You basically bring in all of those people that have kind of the same goal, to provide products for the fishing industry, hooks and whatnot, information about how to catch fish and things like that. You bring them all together, and that's already a good resource, because it's not only you helping those people, but other community members are helping each other. So an online community is a very creative bonus that you can give as well. Business card templates. If somebody that is in your niche needs business cards, you can just either create business card templates and give those as bonuses. Sorry, my nose is very itchy. Photoshop templates could be anything really, for banners, for mockups, and it's just not just Photoshop. It could be anything, a Canva template. It could be any kind of photo editing software templates. Would that be for mockups? Would that be for banners? Would that be for website buttons? As I said earlier, these little badges for money guarantee, these secured checkout banners and things like that. You could create these templates, a bunch of them, and just give away as a bonus for people to use. Infographic design, like you can create infographic and give that away as a tool for getting people more business. Like, for example, one of the infographics I can always remember is how chatbots are much better in conversion and promotion than just pure email. And that infographic was created by somebody, but it's going to be shared around the internet. And the person that created that infographic added on a little link on their infographic that they created. And that infographic image, let me just show you quickly what an infographic is for those of you that may not know. So infographic, these are these images where they explain a lot of different things in kind of a visual way. So let me just not do that, but let's just open image in a new tab. Something like this. You see, they create a visual statistics, visual representation of a research for a topic, and things like that a lot of times have a website here. You may not see it here at the bottom, but there's a website added on here, and this will be shared by a lot of users. You create this for Groove, you create this for your own niche, you create this for anything really, and you can win a lot of business. People will be sharing these out. It's also your assets, so you can put in your own link, your own affiliate link, but it is also a help to people that you give them this resource to share around and basically use as their promotional asset as well. Let me just go back to the presentation. So that was just infographic. Presentation templates. You create different presentation templates for sales pitches, for different things, maybe a video guide, just a presentation, how you're promoting Groove, presentation on what you're using in your own business, and things like that. Presentations could be also very good bonuses. Pre-made graphic design. Graphic design could be related to Photoshop templates that I talked about earlier, but it could be something else as well, like different lines and dividers and arrows and things like that. Could be all graphic design that you create a bundle of and give away as a bonus. Website design checklist, like you create a checklist for the best SEO principles in GroovePages, for example, the best the best design or customization options in GrooveBlog, the best XYZ checklist. Do this, do that, and then you're basically done. You have a PDF checklist that you can use as a bonus. Career advice, goal setting worksheets, master classes, short films, video animation intros. It could be a logo intro. You can also offer services. So you could have a service of, I will design your logo if you sign up through my link. I will do a short promotion video so you can promote your business. I will do XYZ. You don't have to do them yourself. You can also outsource them, because when somebody buys through your link, you get a nice commission, and from that commission you can actually use that and then offer this bonus as a service to somebody. So it's kind of you give something that you are not doing yourself for for getting people to sign up on your link. You could also offer books and a lot of things that you created previously in your life. So these are just some ideas. Hopefully I gave you now a lot to work with, and then you are now kind of seeing the extent to what you can go to. So what do you say if we go and create a bonus? So we talked about a lot of things that we could do, and I believe it's time for us to go and create a bonus. I'm going to just do a couple different things. I'm going to share some of the resources that I'm using, and I'm going to go and create a bonus. So some of these things that I use when creating bonuses is Google Docs, just any kind of text editor, really, Word, or I don't know on Apple what they call it, but basically something that you can write text in. Canva, or any kind of other image editing software, Photoshop if you're using that, if you're using Trello, Pixlead, or basically anything that can create images, you could use that. Google Slides for creating presentations like what you're watching right now. GroovePages for creating templates. You could use Loom. Loom is a tool for recording your screen and also your webcam or your camera, so that you can create tutorials, videos, and anything really that helps people achieve a certain goal. You could use a camera as well. As I mentioned earlier, you can just take your camera and record. You can record a short video where you talk about the best 5 things to do at the Groove, or something related to your niche. You could also do audio recording, kind of a podcast or a video memo, that your best ideas for promotion on a Black Friday for a date coach. Just something that I just came up with, but you could do these types of products or ideas as well as bonuses. And as I mentioned earlier, Facebook as a community. So you can do a lot of these things. These are just some of the tools that I use regularly when I'm creating these types of bonuses. So let's just go in and then create a bonus on here. Let me just see. Yeah, that's basically it. So we're going to go and create these bonuses. I have a bonus already, and I'm going to be using this template as one of my bonuses. You could also do resources and things like that. So I'm going to go into Google Docs first and show you the first thing that I talked about here in Google Docs or any other text editor, how you can create bonuses. So bonuses you could do very simply as just going into Google, make sure that you are logged in, and then here in the corner you click these Google apps and you just find Google Docs. Google Docs is a free text editing tool online that you could use. You could just create a blank page, or you could just go with a template that they provide, but it doesn't have to be really fancy, to be honest. It could be as simple as just typing in some text in here. So you could do the best resources for learning everything about Groove products. I'm just going to do this very quickly because I know a lot about Groove, and I could easily do tons of different bonuses for this. So maybe even just do a title. So then you could do something like this, and then we go and open up Groove's YouTube channel, go into videos, and let's just find some of these things that we talked about. Like, for example, here is in-depth look into GroovePages. Let's just click on the Groovathon video. Let's just look into the timestamps. And let's see. So we have from the 42nd minute, we are starting with the GroovePages drag and drop builder reinvented. So I'm going to copy over this link. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I right click on this link, 4239, copy link address. Okay, and I'm copying over this timestamp. I will go into here and here type in what is GroovePages. And then I'm going to be pasting this link in here. Okay. You could also do pretty links and things like that. If you want to shorten the link, you could do URL shortener, things like that. You could use Bitly short URL, Cutly, on any other, and just paste in this long link. And what the URL shorteners, they do is from this long link, they just create this short link. As you can see, you can just simply copy it, and then instead of this long link, you will have something much shorter, something much more easier on the eyes. So what is GrooveSell? And you would do these for the rest of the videos. Like I have here GrooveSell, Groove Affiliate, and Affiliate Marketplace. I could find in here GrooveSell, 1 hour, 12 minutes, and 54 seconds. I'm going to right click, copy link address, bring it into a URL shortener, paste that in here, and shorten. Okay, copy. So there is my second thing. You could also do other things, like we have a lot of different videos on our YouTube channel, and there's a lot of other people that created training for GrooveSell, for example. GrooveSell tutorial. If you find something that you like, how to use GrooveSell, how to, for example, here's a training on how to create a product sales funnel in GrooveSell and GroovePages. This is from Rob over here. Here's from Amy Vo. Here's one from me. Here's from Mylan Mia. So there's a lot of different things that you could do. For example, I'm going to use my training from the Imperfect Action Challenge, and I'm going to share this one. Step 1, connecting custom domain. Going into GrooveSell, setting up our product. So I'm going to do the 38-minute mark, and then just typing in maybe something like this: setting up a product in GrooveSell. So again, this is a long URL. I could use a URL shortener and just make it more digestible, make it more easy on the eyes. And there we go. So you could create these resources from pre-existing things. What you're doing is creating a shortcut for people. If somebody wants to learn, they will be able to visit your document and then just learn more. They will not need to ask you. They will not need to ask anybody in the group, "Ooh, where do I learn more about this? Where do I learn more about that?" This is a great resource to actually share. So I will not do anything else. I can just show you how to save it. So best resources for learning everything about Groove products. Once you do the whole slew of these products, you can just go to File, Download as a PDF. Okay, there we go. And yeah, of course, you could also use these links. When you copy over these links, you could use them as a custom landing page. So let me just show you over here. Going to GrooveSell, for example, let's copy over this link, and we can go into Groove, and here inside Groove Affiliate, we can go into our links and create a custom landing page for this link. For example, setting up a product in GrooveSell. You could use this link as well, and you can add that in as a bonus. So instead of this one, you can shorten the link with an affiliate link in there. That's also a possibility. So you can do all sorts of things in here in order to get that last tag. There we go. So these are your resources that you can create. This is one of the things. Let me just download this one as oh yeah, I downloaded it as a PDF already. Very good. So now we have one resource done. You could do similar thing as a checklist. You could do these checklists. You could do you could go into Canva. Canva is the other thing that I mentioned here. Canva or any other image editing software. You could just type in canva.com. There we go. So you can create these kind of templates. So if you type in checklist, you can already find these pre-made checklists. Let's just use this one. And you could just type in something your niche related. So let's just say that my niche is dentist. You can type in here, and this website creation checklist. Okay. Then this website creation checklist, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger like this, and there we go. So I have, you could use your own colors on here. You could just type in your text. You could just change the colors of this paper as well. You can play around, but there's not a lot you need to do. Just create your checklist on what you're doing on your day-to-day basis in your business and what could help somebody else. So you create this checklist. Let's just say that what we say, I don't know, connect, let's just say buy a domain. God, that's not buy a domain. And you here write connect a domain, and then you can also give here examples like how to connect a domain. Like here I have a video on how to connect a custom domain. I'm going to talk about that as well, so I'm going to just use that in my checklist. Also give your affiliate link in here, but just something like that. And then let's just make this smaller. There you go. And you could do these as links as well here. So if you're in Canva, you can set this up as link. And then once you save it as a PDF, you can have people click on these links and just be redirected over to other sites. So this is a checklist bonus that you could give away as well. Let's just go and download this over here. This is a PDF standard, and let's just download this very quickly. Here we have dentist website creation checklist. Okay. Perfect. Good. So now that we did that, you could go into other things like calendar. You can type in calendar. You could create a custom calendar for your niche. You could also do social media posts. You could do a lot of different things that you can bundle up and then give away as bonus in order to help your custom audience achieve a certain goal. Let me just see. Yeah, so these are kind of what I use Canva for. You could use Google Slides, as I'm just doing right now. So this, what you're seeing on the screen, is Google Slides. I create my presentations in there. So let's just say you had a presentation, or you have kind of a course that you recorded. You could create that. You can create those slides as PDFs. You can just export these as PDFs, and just use that as a download, as a downloadable bonus as well. So there we go. Now we already have 3 things as bonuses. And let's just go on to the next one. GroovePages template creation. I showed you earlier how to create a share link. You could use just your share link. So in settings, share site, you have this link already that you could use as a bonus. You could just easily set that up. Loom, you can just download Loom. Loom is a Chrome extension that you install in your browser. I use that myself, so you're going to see my videos. You can just click on new video, or it's also a browser extension where you click it, and then it allows you to record your screen, you record your microphone, record your camera even, and then you can record short videos, guides, tutorials, anything really. It's a free tool. They also have a paid version in case you need more, but it's a very, very good tool in case you want to do kind of short demos, tutorials, guides, and things like that as bonus. You could use your phone, as I mentioned, for camera and audio. You could create a Facebook community, and that's super easy to do. I'm going to show you how that is done. And I'm very confident that you already know about that stuff. So in case you come to your Facebook account, you can click on this menu, and you can click here groups. and then you can create a new group by clicking over here. And then you just set up the group name. You can choose the privacy settings. You can immediately invite friends. You can upload your own cover in the next steps, just provide some about information, and you're good to go. So you created a group for your niche, your target audience, and so on. Okay, so these are just some of the ideas that you could use in order to create bonuses. I have a couple of bonuses that I created now. I created the resources list, a checklist, and a template, and we're going to go on in the next videos with this, with these resources, and just use these as a downloadable bonus for getting people to sign up under our affiliate link. So hopefully this was interesting for you, and hopefully now you will go out and be able to create your bonuses as well. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This was the explanation how to do bonuses, what bonuses can be, and it was a little bit longer, but I really wanted to dive into ideas on to give you some kind of spark so that you can come up with a bonus, and you see that it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be always yours. It doesn't have to be a world's best product on something. You could just do a lot. Like that's a good thing. If you do a lot of these bonuses, it can seem like a huge value. Like you provide social media templates, you provide a GroovePage template, you provide a checklist, you provide a resources list, you provide, it's already a very, very good value. Somebody that has a software will need to compete with all of these resources in order to be able to get those people to sign up. So the more bonuses, the bigger the perceived value is, the higher, the bigger success you will have. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Let's just see some of your comments on here. And this was an awesome training. Thank you so much. Thank you. Should you create a group or a fan page? A group, you would probably want a group, because in a group, people can communicate between each other. They can provide the feedback to other group members. A fan page is mostly one-way communication. A fan page is they like you and you provide some content to them. But in a community, they actually communicate between each other. You're a whiz, David. You have given so many great ideas. Yeah, thank you very much. So great value, David. Many thanks. Absolutely. Is there a second or third session in this series? This is the session number 3, Alan. There were 2 previous sessions. You can watch them on YouTube if you prefer. Yes. So this is just how to create your bonuses. Okay. Now I saw a comment earlier, oh, but wait, how do we actually deliver those bonuses? And that's what we're talking in the next video. So of course, this is a step-by-step training that I'm giving you. So you're not going to go away and do your homework without actually knowing each and every one of these steps. So don't worry about that. The next thing that we're talking about is how to add these bonuses that we create. There's a couple of different ways, and I'm going to talk about that now. Perfect. So let's just go on with the next one. We passed an hour, which is something that I thought will be much quicker, but anyway. Cool. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to actually take your bonuses that you created and add them in Groove Affiliate for instant delivery. We can actually control in Groove and see who signed up under your affiliate link. And those affiliates, those people that sign up could get your affiliate bonuses automatically in an instant, which is amazing. So I'm going to explain to you how you can deliver the goodies, the bonuses, the freebies that you have, and how to actually bring it to the customers that need it. So let's just dive into this training. There is a couple of different ways to add the bonuses into your promotional campaigns. Most of the times that is going to be Groove Affiliate. So in Groove Affiliate, you can provide a simple link bonus. Basically, if you have a shared template, if you have a link to a video or a podcast or something that you're providing, you can provide a bonus as a link. You could also use integrations. So in case it's not Groove who you want to provide the actual bonus, but you have your own email software, for example, you are providing the bonuses on a sequence. For example, you recorded a video for 30 days, like every day a video, and then you want to send that out in an email sequence. You can use an integration in delivering that as a bonus. You could use also webhooks. Webhooks are a way of integrating different platforms with Groove and have basically another platform get triggered when somebody signed up through your link. You could also do membership bonuses, and membership bonuses mean that you create a membership in Groove Member within the Groove platform, and you populate your bonuses in that membership. And this way you can just enable access for the person that signed up in order to get your bonuses. Or there is another simple way, is just to upload a file to your Groove account and just have Groove send the file out to the user that clicked your affiliate link and signed up, or that purchased Groove. So these are the ways that you can deliver the content that you created, the bonuses and the freebies, in order to get the people the bonuses. So let's just visit each and every one of these, and let's just explore these options. So starting with a simple link bonus, and why I call it simple, because it's really just one click. Let me show you how easy it is to set that up. So if you log into your Groove account, I'm going to go over here and log into my Groove account. There we go. So as you can see, I'm in Groove right now. If I head over to Groove Affiliate, which is in the apps, Groove Affiliate, I click on promos, and here you can see that I am promoting Groove. This is the platform that I want to promote. And here at the end, you see a nice little box, which is kind of a gift icon, which is affiliate bonuses that you can actually trigger over here. So if somebody signs up for a trial, what bonus will you give them? If somebody signs up for a monthly option or annual option or $4.97 option, or somebody that purchases Groove on PayPal, or somebody that just upgrades, you can give them all of those bonuses in here. But here the list is empty. So what you actually need to do, so how do you provide the bonuses? Now, you may have not seen that, but here inside the promos, the promotions and links give you a way to manage the bonuses, but you create the bonuses with simple links in here with just click on bonuses. So if I zoom out, you can see at this moment I don't have any bonuses. So we're going to go in and click the pink button, new bonus, on the upper right hand side corner. And then here we can just add a name of the bonus, and my bonus will be book template book landing page template. Okay, so the name is something that your customer will see. So make sure that you don't put in something internally for you, like a free sign up bonus, This is something that your customer will see, so make sure that you understand that. And then the link is something that we are going to be adding in here. And in my case, I want to provide my template that I have in here as my bonus. So this is the template that I will be giving away for the people. And then I just copied over that link, I paste that in, and now I have created a bonus. This bonus is the book landing page template. So now that we have the bonus created, and you can really create as many bonuses as you want, the bonuses that you see here are link bonuses. So these are the bonuses that work with a simple link, okay? Just one link and that's it. So now that we created this bonus, we go back to promos. And here, if we click on this gift icon, the second icon on the right-hand side, we click on this one, and now here we'll be able to select this as a bonus we can see book landing page template. Okay, so you can decide where and to whom you want to give away this template. There's a lot of different options in here, a lot of different price points that we sell Groove on. So you can decide if you want to give it for a trial. You can give it on the free Groove sell. You can give it on the free GroovePages or free GrooveFunnels account, and over here as well, and GrooveFunnels free. So we have a couple of different free price points, and in this scenario, what I did is I decided my book landing page template I want to give to everybody that signs up for free on Groove. Okay, so this is where I selected GrooveFunnels free, GrooveFunnels free, GrooveFunnels free, and the other ones that says free. Here we go. So this was the GrooveFunnels. Let's just go in here and then see. Okay, so this is when somebody's paying with PayPal, and then this is the lifetime upgrade. We will not have any kind of free options. So trial and everything that is free will get my book landing page template. Once you click save, this is now saved in Groove's database. So what Groove is going to do, if somebody signs up to your account, to your affiliate link, or any other links that I shared earlier, would it be your affiliate links? Would that be your share template? Would it be anything else really? This is going to be provided. It may take a minute for this to be saved in our database, and then this is going to be hooked up directly to your affiliate links. So I'm going to go out and mention the next way to do the delivery of bonuses, and that is done through integrations. So if we go into Groove affiliate, and this is over here where we're managing our affiliate links and everything, we can see as the last option over here, there's a plug icon, and these are the integrations. So let's just click in here. And as a second way, I mentioned integrations. Integrations are a way to actually trigger a MailChimp, trigger an ActiveCampaign, trigger a Zapier, trigger anything else really that you can think of that is an outside platform in order to deliver the content. Let's just say that I have my content being delivered in an email sequence through Groove, through MailChimp. What you would need to do is head over to your account over here, click My Integrations, and then click the Add button in order to add an integration. And then you can choose from the different options that we have over here. You can see Usign, Zapier, MailChimp. You click on MailChimp, and then you just connect your MailChimp account over here. Now, I will not do that in this case, but I'm going to just do Zapier real quick so that we can demonstrate it, because Zapier at this moment doesn't need anything else. And now that I connect Zapier, I can see Zapier here in this corner. So what I did is I connected an integration, and now I can just deliver the bonuses through integration. Let me just refresh. Now that we added the integration, the Groove just needs to realize that we have an integration set up there. And if we go into integrations, we can now see behind my big head, we have a button which is saying Add New Integration. So once we are ready to actually award the people that sign up, then we can just click Add Integration. So for free people, for the free signups, I decided to give away my template. But for everybody else that signs up for a monthly or an annual, I'm going to give them the bonus through my Zapier integration. Okay, so I will select monthly over here and add new. And I will just select Zapier as my integration, and then we are going to get a save button shortly. There may be a glitch. I may need to reload, but let's just try the annual one over here. Let's see, and there should be a save button that shows up here. We'll just need to see what happens, but you should be able to connect any of your integrations in there. So this is how easy it is. Once you actually connected your integration, it will show up over here, and it's just going to say annual fulfilled by Zapier. And that's basically it. Once you're done, make sure you save. Okay. So this is fulfilling through integrations. You can really use any of these integrations that are available. So ActiveCampaign, Aweber Campaign Monitor, Webform, which is SendGrid, EverWebinar, so you can create webinars as well for bonuses. You could use GetResponse and GoToWebinar, Lead Lovers, MailChimp, Mautic, Perkzilla, Pipedrive, Product Dino, Sendio, Webinar Jam, Usign, and Zapier as integrations to fulfill your bonuses. Let me just come back on the screen over here. And in the presentation, the next one that I have are webhooks. So webhooks are usually links that you can get from different platforms. Would that be a membership platform that you may be using, Kajabi, Thinkific, and things like that, or anything else really that you would like to connect. So if you click on webhooks over here, what you're going to see is the price points that we have, the different products that we have, so you can make sure that you fulfill to those as well, and then you can create a webhook. As I mentioned, webhooks are just a pure link. I'm going to show you an example of a webhook. You can do this through Zapier webhooks, through Publi, through Integrately, through the specific platform that you're using. They may also have webhooks, but in this case, I'm going to use Integrately. Greatly, if I could type, that would be great. So I'm going to go to my Integrately account, and which is basically a Zapier. It's a tool that connects different tools together. In here, I can just easily select webhook, this one, and then you could connect this webhook to anything really that you want. Most of these platforms have a lot of other tools that they integrate with. For some reason, the icons are not loading in. There we go. So you could connect that to Jotform, Plutio, Canny, Google Calendar, anything really that you have. Let's just use for now. Let's just use something that I have. Let's have a look. Google Forms. Okay, I'm going to use a webhook in order to send people to Google Forms. So when operation is performed on webhook, create a response in Google Form. For example, once we click go, we can go and create this integration. So what we will need to do is copy this link, and this is basically the webhook link that we bring over here, and then we create a webhook and click save. That's basically it. What we need to do is make sure that we test it out, because at this moment we would need to map that information. So we would need to create an account through our own affiliate link in order to trigger this webhook. I'm not going to do that now, but basically what you would need to do is go to get your affiliate link and sign up through your affiliate link in order to be able to trigger the information. So what we have on our platform here is whenever somebody signs up, they send some information to Groove, and this information you can actually capture and send over through a webhook to the platform that you decided, which in my case is Google Forms. So this is a webhook. It's basically a way to integrate a platform with other platforms through a simple link. Okay, moving on. Memberships are very, very cool because everything is done within Groove. So in case you have a Groove account, what you could do is just head over to apps and then Groove Member. Let me just do that one more time. Groove Member. We're going to open Groove Member, and here you can create a membership. At this moment, I don't have any membership, but you can create your membership, and you can give it a name, you can give it a description, and you can create a membership where you're fulfilling the content. So in case you have a video and the video has a checklist next to it, and that's just a module 1, then you have 2 more modules, and then you have a different category where you're talking about a different topic, and all of this can be delivered through a bonus, through an automatic fulfillment system inside Groove, just by clicking on memberships over here. I'm going to just very quickly create a membership, a dummy membership with a name, which is going to be Affiliate Action Challenge. Subdomain will be AAC Challenge. Change the subdomains once the membership is created. That's fine, and it's going to be in English. Okay, so only alphanumeric numbers. Okay, AAC Challenge. Perfect. So I will not set it up any further. I'm just going to exit out. We should be able to see the affiliate action challenge. And then once we go into our Groove affiliate, where we're actually awarding the memberships, you select the options and you select the price points you want to give the membership to. So in this case, we don't have the membership showing up. Let's just reload so that it gets loaded in. Memberships, and now we see a button add new membership. So I'm going to award a membership to everybody that signs up for the 3 easy payments. Okay, select the membership, affiliate action challenge, and then we set up the standard access level. That's it. So now we have everybody that signs up and gets the Groove lifetime upgrade with 3 easy payments. They will get added to this membership that I created, which is called affiliate action challenge. Make sure you save, and then you're good to go. You may have already your memberships that you're using for delivering content for your different niche specific audience. You could just use that one as well as a bonus when somebody signs up for your Groove account. And the next option over here is files. The simplest thing that you could do is just upload the files and into Groove and let Groove handle the fulfillment. That is done also in Groove Member. So you remember earlier we just did a membership, but if we go back to home over here, you can click on this button over here, Files. And over here in the upper right hand side corner, we have a way to upload a file. So this is what we see in here, a way to upload a file. If I give this file a name like dentist website creation checklist, and then I can just click select file, open the actual dentist website creation checklist, upload the file, and bada bing, bada boom, we have that uploaded now. Let me just upload the 2 other files, the 2 other bonuses that we created. One was the best resources for learning everything about the Groove products. I'm going to just open this one real quick, give it a name, upload a file, and we have the second thing done as well. I'm going to just upload the 3rd file, which is the presentation of the session 3 of this challenge. Session 3, affiliate action challenge, slides. Here we go. We can upload this file. It's going real quick. Already done. We have now 3 files that we can fulfill automatically. When we go back to the Groove affiliate dashboard where we're fulfilling these, we can just reload so that we get your files, and we can see add new file button on here. We select the different options where we want to add the file. Let's just say lifetime upgrade in full. Let's just click this, add new file, select the file, and I want to give these people the best resources for learning everything about Groove products. Let's just click this one. For the lifetime, let's just see, lifetime upgrade in full, this is the same thing. I want to give them the same resource, and then let's just go to this options. If somebody upgrades with the lifetime upgrade one-time payment, I want to give them the same resource. If somebody upgrades with the 4 payment, I'm going to give them a different resource. I'm going to give the people that pay with a 6 monthly payments, I'm going to give them a 3rd resource, and then we have everything done. We have everything covered. We saved everything, and we're good to go. This is how easy it is to just upload the things into Groove and let the automations in our system fulfill the bonuses for your signups. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the main important thing of how to actually get people to sign up and how to deliver the bonuses. Hopefully this helped you understand how to create and how to deliver those bonuses. Yeah, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. It may be a little bit long as well. I shouldn't have gone that long, but some of you will appreciate it. We have a couple more slides, actually one more topic, and then I'm going to give you the task for today. And this is where we are going to get creative. I'm going to give you some resources as well that's going to be very interesting for you. So let me just clear my my tabs over here. Infographic, Kotlin, calendar, Let's just clear everything in here, and then I'm going to start the last session, and this is where we're going to make our bonuses real. And some of you may enjoy this one the most. So let's just answer a couple of questions here. So you can also use these features for your own products, correct? Yes, absolutely. In case you created your own affiliate program, you can use all of these features to get people to promote your products as well. You can allow affiliates to have access to webhooks integrations, files, and basically deliver these bonuses automatically within Groove Affiliate. Will Groove develop its own integration similar to Zapier? No, I don't think so. We will have our own integrations, but we are not trying to compete with Zapier. We will have powerful automations and things like that, but it's not like Zapier. Okay, perfect. People are enjoying this content. Hopefully, you appreciate what you're learning on here. That's cool. Okay, so let's just go on with the presentation and presenter view in here, and we're going to make our bonuses real. Some of you may not know what this is, but that's what we're talking about in the next section. Okay, so yeah. In this video, we're going to talk about an interesting concept which a lot of people forget about when they're providing bonuses to their audience, and that's to actually make the bonuses real. We're going to talk about what that actually means, but it's a very, very simple concept, and the next slide will explain a lot. So use mockups. Use mockups for your products. Most of the stuff that we're doing and we're giving away as bonus are going to be in digital format, and these digital formats, it's very hard to represent as a high perceived value. In case you just say, I have a PDF which gives you the best 5 tips on how to create a good website. It's sometimes good enough, but most of the times people will just be like, it's a PDF. If you actually create mockups, the whole value of the whole bonus just rises dramatically, and it is something that makes people see and want the product. So if you want people to want your products, you want your bonuses, then you will definitely want to make these mockups for yourself. It's not hard. I'll show you a couple of different tricks in order to achieve that. But as you can see over here, if I zoom in, these are beautiful, beautiful creations, beautiful graphic elements that can very easily be created and can mean day and night in your marketing promotions. So let's just go on and let me share a couple of free resources with you where you can create these mockups. So some of the free resources that I use regularly are mockupper.net, DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups, and then I created a template pack I'm going to show you later on with Canva mockups. So let's just click on each and every one of these and let me show you what they do. So let's just click over to Mockupper. And this is a platform where you can just go in and create different mockups for computers, screens, for a lot of different things. This is a free tool, so you have a bunch of these laptops, phones, and things like that. They provide a lot of these stuff, and you just need to bring in your images wherever you see this green layout. Let me just zoom in a bit so you can see it better. So wherever you see this green layout, this is where your image would be. They also give you the dimensions on how to create your image, so that whenever you put that in, you can have that show up there. On the top of Mockuper, you can see that there are different devices as well. So in case you want the phone to be created as a mockup, you could use that. This looks very cool if you actually create a screenshot of your mobile screen where you're listening to a podcast, maybe that you want to give as a bonus, or if you actually open up an image which you created that says 5 things to do when you sign up for Groove or something like that. Basically, a bonus that you're giving away needs to have a visual representation, and that's what mockups will do for you. And let me just show you how easy it is. If you want this mockup, you click on it and then you click use it, and over here, if I zoom out a little bit, you can see screen 1. You can see you can upload your image on here. You can click and upload your image. I'm going to just use this one, cover or fit. Let's just do this. Okay, this is not the best representation I wanted to do for screen 1. Let's just do this for screen 1. This is the actual laptop screen. Okay, done. And here we go. So now we created a mock-up of a laptop, and it shows up the whole image that I uploaded. If you want a reflection, if you don't want a reflection, you can manage that over here. You can also upload a better image for the mobile screen, and then once you're done, you can just download this image by clicking over here behind my big head. There's a download image button, and then you just download this image. Now we have that downloaded, and it looks like this. So you saw it was super simple to create it. So Mockuper is one of the free tools. DIY book covers, it just does that, book covers, and they also have mobile phone and a tablet. Basically, in case you have some sort of book or an ebook that you want to create, you can choose a single book or a composite, which is kind of multiple products at the same time. You can just choose the different option that you prefer, and then you can click next. You upload your book cover. Let me see if I have something that I could use. I'll just see. Yeah, let's just zoom in here quickly. I remember I had some book covers on here. I'm just going to use the same image. It will not look very, very good, but I'm just going to use it and show you how it will come out. Okay, so we click next, and then we can download our free mockups. Okay, so we can click PNG or JPEG, and then we can see how the actual mockups look like. This platform doesn't show the actual representation before you download it. Only after you download it and open it, then it shows how it looks like. So this is what we created with an ugly image. If you create a proper book illustration, it will look much better. But even though it's not a proper book cover, it still looks good, as you can see. And then the third resource that I have for free for you guys, and you can use all of these if you want, you can write down these resources, but I will be sharing the PDF below in the description of this video, so you can just get those here. I created a bundle of Canva mockups where you can just get this imported into your account, and you can just, on the places where you see this little clouds with a green grassy fields, you can just replace these with your images, and it's pretty easy to use Canva. So you can just use these for documents and books. So this is a closed book. These are open books over here. These are both closed books, and so on. So you can see that it's kind of useful. It also gives you, if you're doing memberships, it gives you kind of a lot of different scenes, so you can combine of your mockups. In case you want to import it, behind my big head over here, there's a button to edit or use template. So you click on this one, this pencil, you click use template, it gets loaded into your account, and then you can just start and just bring in designs. Like, for example, let's just add this in here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I just wanted to use an image. Let's just see if I have some uploads of mine. Let's just use this. Bam. Okay. And then send backwards. Oh, forward, 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 forward. There we go. Here you go. So this is how easy it is to create these mockups. It's very simple, ladies and gentlemen. As you saw, you just pull in the resources wherever you see it. Let me just see if I can do this here. In certain cases on this, oh, here we go. Now it wants to come in. It's basically, you would just upload your screens wherever you want, and that should show up. That should show up nicely in there, as you can see here. I don't have a lot of good images that I can use, but you understand the concept. Here is a book mockup. Here is some of my other stuff, like a lemonade glass and things like that. You can create these mockups and just download the actual download the PNG of the mockup. You just select the page that you prefer, click done, download, and now we have downloaded our mockup over here, which is just getting created. So there we go. That is our mockup, and it has a transparent background so that you can use it also in your other resources. So you don't need a pro version of Canva for this one, but it's going to give you more options in case you do. Let me just share some of the other options that I have here for you. And these were the free resources which give you already a very, very good starting point if you don't want to complicate things. But the paid resources are giving you more options. They just give you more. So some of these sites are basically doing the same thing. So that's why I added them here together. Placeit.net, mockupbro.com, mediamodifier.com, smart mockups, they all do the same thing. They just create mockups, and they create very, very good mockups. You can do that on t-shirts. You could do also designs for Instagram and websites and things like that. So they give you more. You could do print mockups, packaging mockups. You could do home and decor mockups, apparel mockups, technology mockups. So they are going to give you more. So some of these resources are written out over here. Placeit.net is the top one, is the most popular one between these options. They also give you pre-made designs like these in case you're doing, I don't know, book ebooks or something like that. They also give you these designs for music and podcasts and social media, banners and posts and things like that, Pinterest. So you can just use these and modify it a little bit, and then put it on a mockup if you prefer. So Placeit.net is also has a free account, but they basically provide the paid accounts have the most options to use this platform. I put Artboard Studio here as well because Artboard Studio is something that I use myself, and this is a little bit more advanced in case you're using more in case you're using a lot of these mockups in day-to-day basis, you may want to get this, because this allows you to create these high quality generated images, and you can create these scenes, and it's just a very, very versatile platform. They have built-in resources, and you can create all of this stuff. You can drag and drop, you can change for example, this hat is now pointing to the left hand side. You can do all sorts of things with this hat in 3D kind of way, and they have all kinds of different templates. I'm using them very, very regularly, and this really replaced my Photoshop. I don't need to use Photoshop because this platform, it's a cloud platform. They give me everything that I need, so you can use this one as well. It's a paid option, so you could also start for free, but they will be giving you the most when you pay. So these are some of the resources. You don't have to use these paid ones. I just wanted to present them to you so you are aware, but the free ones that I provide over here will give you more than enough that you need in order to create these bonus mockups, and basically just start promoting your bonuses and make them real in the eyes of the end users. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you now see the actual power of how to create a digital bonus and create a nice little mock-up like these in order to kind of create a bigger perceived value, something tangible, something that people can hold, even though it's a digital product. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the training about mockups. I'm going to give you that all of that information in there. So hopefully you are going to like what you can create here. And now I want to introduce you to the tasks, because all of what we talked about today is going to go into a task. So let me just quickly add in something because I forgot. Dun, 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 and Groove Affiliate. And Groove Affiliate. Just a moment. Okie dokie. So what I did is just added on a couple of lines on here that I forgot for the task number 3. So perfect. Yeah. So Carol saying about PLR or white label products, I would not use those. That's why I didn't even put it in my slides. I wanted to. I basically created a full-on training on PLR products with the Imperfect Action Challenge. I would not use those for bonuses, and the reason is that everybody's using those, and people have seen those on multiple places already. The things that you can create for your audience is going to be more valuable than any white label PLR product in the world. So I didn't want to mention those, even though they are pretty simple to get. It's just not a good product most of the times, because they just don't come together nicely with your promotion and your kind of goal of getting people to sign up for Groove. Okay, so let me just close these over here. Bam, that's good. Presenter review. And let's just do this last section of this video for today. This is going to be interesting for you guys. So, are you ready to rumble? I'm afraid today's task will be huge work. Andre, you are committed. Remember, you are committed to be to have those 5, 10 signups, whatever your commitment is. You need to get those done. You committed it to yourself. You have that plan. It doesn't matter what you need to do. And this, as you saw, it is really simple. You create a bonus upload it to Groove Affiliate, and just create a mockup for it. It's not a huge task if you compare it to what you can get with those signups. So hopefully that is going to give you kind of a relaxed mode now, because it's, people call this passive income, and I don't like to call it that, but it's really that. Or when you create and work in advance, and then you set up these systems, you set up everything in advance, and then later on you can just relax and kind of let it flow. Automations will take care of everything else. I think it's a win-win. You invest a couple of hours in order to reap the benefits later on for months and maybe even years to come. I believe that's a pretty solid deal. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the task number 3 for participating in this challenge. Hopefully you are now well aware about what bonuses are, why you need them, how to create them, what they can be. Hopefully I give you a bunch of different information and ideas that you can kind of use for targeting the specific audience that you want to kind of bring in and promote Groove to. But in order to kind of solidify the learned knowledge, and basically everything that we went through in this session 3, I would like you to go and do the tasks, which are the following. First, create your freebie. Creating a freebie is something that we mentioned. Freebie is the bonus that you give for getting people to sign up for a free Groove account. Okay, you can select it from the list that I mentioned, or come up with your own ideas, just something that we discussed earlier in the previous video. If you can go back and rewatch it if you need to kind of do a little bit more brainstorming with the ideas, but make it simple for yourself. Find something that you may already have, maybe a list of resources, a Trello board of ideas, or screenshots, or swipe files, or something that your target audience may want. You can also follow some of the things that I did, a list of resources, but make sure you don't do the exact same thing that I did, because I can tell you a lot of other people will do it. I would call that a bit lazy, just doing the exact same thing I did, but make sure you do your own spin on it. Make sure you provide the things that your target audience will want, that you know to talk about, and that you are also interested in. Because that's you want to work on something that you're interested in. That's basically it. So again, try to come up with your own ideas. I provided a whole lot of ideas that you could use, so try and be creative. Make it downloadable, make it accessible, make it digital, so that you don't actually need to physically ship something with a postal service. Just upload it to Groove Affiliate, and then you can rest assured that it's going to get automatically delivered to everybody that signs up. Okay, so once you created your freebie, add it to Groove Affiliate for fulfillment, and that's the kind of the step 2. So you create a freebie, you upload it to Groove Affiliate, or you connect it to Groove Affiliate, and create a mockup for it. Mockup is the image that we showed earlier of creating a box or a screenshot of a mobile phone screen or a desktop screen, basically a visual representation of a product. So create a mock-up for it, and then have your freebie ready for the next sessions, because we'll need to use that. Okay, that's the step number 1. Step number 2 is create your upgrade bonus. Upgrade bonus, as we mentioned earlier, it is the actual bonus that people will get after they upgrade for payment. So basically, when they go from a free user, pay money, and then they upgrade, this is what you these are the bonuses that you will give to people that send you the commission. Okay, the bonuses don't have to be huge, don't have to be big. It doesn't have to be your whole suite of tools that you kind of use. You don't have to give away your tools. You don't have to give away all your courses. You don't have to give away everything that you have. but it could be multiple different products, like one cheat sheet, one worksheet, one video, one podcast, one something like that. And it kind of, multiple small things could also become quite big, because with the mockups they will have a very powerful messaging, or and just kind of a perceived value, so people will want those. So make sure you have an upgrade bonus which is more valuable than the freebie that you create in the task number 1. Make it something that will solve a real problem, definitely. Make it something that could achieve a goal and or satisfy a big want. Potentially, you could create something that has all of these 3, okay? But if you can't think of something that will solve a problem, achieve a goal, and satisfy a want, just do at least one of these things. So this one, or this one, it's going to be more than enough. Once your bonus is created, make sure you add it to Groove Affiliate for fulfillment. And of course, create a mockup for it. Nothing sells better than a visual representation of a digital product. Most probably you purchased a lot of digital products in your life, and you most probably seen a lot of these mockups, even though you never actually hold those products in your hand. It kind of makes it easier to understand what you're getting. So definitely come up with an upgrade bonus that you would want to purchase, or you would want to pay for if that would be offered to you. That's kind of my idea. Oh my god, I want the bonus. Where can I get the bonus? Where would I pay for the bonus? Sometimes that is kind of the thinking also in the people that want to get your product. So these are the 2 tasks, and then the third task is to actually show off. And I want you to show off. Share your mockups in the Facebook group. Add a little description about what problem your freebie is solving, and add a description of what problems your your bonuses are solving. So you have 2 tasks: to create the freebie and the upgrade bonus. And now the third task is to basically show off what you created, share your mockups, and add a description of that inside the Facebook post that you will do. So let me just share with you how I would go about that. So let me just log into GrooveJV group. If you are not a part of GrooveJV yet, this is a group on Facebook where you want to be. This is where we post news and updates and everything about the affiliate action challenge. So here I would come and create a post with my mockups. I'm going to upload what I have. These are not the the best mockups in the world, but I just want to upload these because I created these and I'm proud of those. So affiliate action challenge task number 3 done. Okay, I'm going to do a nice little check mark. My freebie is a book landing page template that makes it easy for everyone that sells books or ebooks to get started with Groove. Okay, I'm going to do some emoji over here so that it's also visible. Let's just use this one. Okay, just use another emoji over here. Upgrade bonus is it was okay, yeah, the checklist are dentist checklist. I did different audiences, different niches. One was a book landing page, the other one was a dentist checklist. try to make sure you have your task done for one specific audience or for a general niche of how to make money, or some people that need a website software, some people that need a blogging software, some people that need an e-commerce software for GrooveCard. Just try to target one specific niche and create your bonuses related to that. Okay. I did kind of a different niches so that you can kind of understand. My upgrade bonus is a dentist checklist that helps create website step by step, plus slides for the AAC session number 3. Why it is helpful? That helps people get the bonus ideas and the free and the resources I shared as a text file. Okay, so it helps you to have the actual PDF document, click on the links and just copy paste text in case you want to use some of those ideas. And then maybe I could actually do, instead of the plus, I could use something like this and bam, and do one more. I believe the third one was I don't even remember what was it. Let me just find out. Best resources for learning everything about Groove. Okay. Best resources for learning everything about Groove. PDF document with videos and trainings about learning the different Groove products. Okay, this is my what is your bonus? And then of course AAC hashtag affiliate action challenge, and then there was one more Groove affiliate challenge. Okay, so this is the task done. I'm going to just make sure that this is not big. I hate this from Facebook. Here we go. So I post my my mockups are in there. I talked about my freebie, what it is. I talked about my upgrade bonuses, and I did the hashtags. So that is what you should do as well if you want to kind of show off inside a Facebook group, get comments, get feedback from other users. I'm going to go in there and then comment on your mockups. Previously, I was not commenting on your screenshots because I was actually explaining that here. But in case you're participating in this challenge, do these 3 things. Create your freebie, make it awesome, add it to Groove Affiliate, create a mockup for it, create your upgrade bonus, add it to Groove Affiliate, create a mockup for it, and then share it in the Facebook group. Let's just see what you guys can create. I'm one person. I have my perspective. I have my niche audience that I would like to promote to, but you guys have your own. Let's just see what you guys can create. I had an idea to also get you guys to share your niche. I don't want you guys to share your niche if you don't want to. It's something your own, and most probably from the mockups that you create and something from the bonuses and the descriptions of the bonuses we can already kind of get. So just do this one. It is going to help a lot of people kind of get started themselves, like, oh my god, this person did it, and Andre did it, and Gary did it, and Carol did it, and Gerda did it. You can do it as well. Everybody can do that. You saw how simple it is. I gave you the tools, I gave you what you need to do. It shouldn't be hard. So hopefully you can follow those steps, and if you need help, rewatch these videos, and it's going to help you achieve the task over here. So thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video tomorrow. That's it. Okay, so what do the hashtags do for you on your post? The hashtags categorize these posts. So in case you go and search for a hashtag, you'll find all of the posts related to that affiliate action challenge. And it's just the way these social media channels work. They kind of have these tags as search engines like Google and others work with tags. They find tags. Social media also has these hashtags, and these are kind of the tags for different posts. Okay. 22 hours left to do that. Run, Forrest, run. You don't have to do that immediately until tomorrow. You will still have time for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're working on the different methods of promotion. You could use that tomorrow, but it's not necessary to have everything done by tomorrow. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. So I want to get you prepared so you know what the steps are needed and how to actually get the task achieved, but you don't need to do that all in one day. It could be for some that they work on it the whole week and they still need time to actually finalize these things. So it's not a sprint. You don't have to rush anything. I believe it is simple. In case you really sit down and create those bonuses, just go through and find the best resources for GroovePages or best resources for GrooveSell. These are already two different bonuses that you kind of did by searching through our Facebook group, our YouTube channel, or Google. You could also use some of the articles as models that are on Google. Just type in something that you would like to do, like GrooveSell tutorial, and then find an article about that and just kind of use that text somehow, model it over, write something similar, and just add that as a bonus. The world is your playground. You can really do anything on here. Just try to offer something of value. Will you be sharing this session this evening? Digital Universe is asking. Immediately after I click the end broadcast button, which will be quite soon because we are finished with our presentation in here, you're going to be able to see the replay of this video. So yes. Perfect. It's great to learn a lot from you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I try to give you as much resources, as much kind of shortcuts and ideas, because I don't want everybody to copy what I did. Okay, so this I need to tell again. Don't copy what I did. You have your own voice, you have your own perspective, you have your own experiences and things that you're interested in, and that you can find people that are interested in the same thing as you are, and those are your target audience. Those are the people that you'll feel comfortable around. The things that I did were just for demo, so don't do dentist checklist in case you're not actually a dentist in the dentist niche. Don't do the actual slides that I did. That was just a demo. Try to come up with your own bonuses. That is what's going to make somebody click on your link and not on somebody else's link. People want to hear from, or they want to get products and resources from people that have same struggles, same journey, same type of goals. So try to find those people that share a goal like you and trying to offer solutions with your affiliate link for that. So yeah, that is everything for today. I also wanted to share something interesting that you may not know about, and this is something that I talked in the first session. If you visit the the link groovefunnels.com/lucky. I'm going to share this out in the YouTube channel and then on the Facebook group on here as well. groovefunnels.com/lucky. Okay, and if I share my screen, this is what you're going to see. This is something that we are going to do. 5 lucky members will get to work directly with Mike for free, and this is something that is very, very interesting. You're going to be coming on with Mike or maybe me, and do anything. Like, you're setting up your Groove card store, you're setting up your Groove affiliate promos, you're setting up butterfly marketing campaign, you're setting up anything really, and you would like help with that, or you would like us to kind of guide you, you can just click here to apply, and then through this application over here, you can tell us about what you're doing. We're going to vet, we're going to go through and kind of pick the people that would be best fit for this, and you can win a chance to get to work with us. So groovefunnels.com/lucky. I have shared these links out on on Facebook, YouTube, and everywhere. So yeah, definitely apply if you would like to come on live, sit with us, and just be there until we create something else, something nice for you, something that will help you in the long run. Make sure you apply. So just a note over here, not sure if you can see it, let me just move my big head away. Mike will be working with you live during the Groovathon, so you must be good with internet, a webcam, and a microphone, and be willing to go live with our members. So this is going to be a live stream as what I'm doing right now. You're going to be talking with Mike, or maybe myself, or maybe Donna Fox. We're going to be guiding you on how to actually make things work for you with Groove, which is very, very exciting. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. groovefunnels.com/lucky. Just head over there. You have a chance to win, and let us help you with your marketing. If you're struggling, if you're not, beautiful, great job. You can learn more in these trainings, but in case you really need some hand holding, then this could be a potential lottery for you, because once we have your business set up online, it could be working for years and months and decades for you, and just bringing in your money and customers and business and success. So that is it for today. Thank you very much for being here. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully I'm going to see your mock-ups and the things you created as bonuses inside the JV group soon. So let me know if you need any help, and hopefully see you tomorrow on our next session. So thank you, guys.